Alright, so welcome to Nykz World, and today we're going to be preparing Jamaican salt mackerel and dumpling with St. Vincent yam, some pumpkin and banana, and on the side, you don't know, some avocado. Well, we in Jamaica just call it pear. Yeah, so that's what's up today. So I want you guys to just continue to watch and enjoy, and at the end of the video, please like and subscribe, right? So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you from Chef Nykz. Guys, we have the salt mackerel. What I did was to go ahead and boil it and take off the yellow part that is normally at the top of the skin, so that you have a smooth finish. All right, and also that helps with the rawness as well. All right, so the seasoning, I've prepared that as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead now and cook up my salt mackerel. Right, so this is Jamaican salt mackerel, right? This piece look like it won't clean up somewhere. I'm gonna clean off this piece a bit more. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook it up. So I'm gonna show you me cooking up the salt mackerel. And as I said, I'm gonna be serving it with cornmeal dumpling, yam, banana, pumpkin, and some avocado here. I'm getting my Dutch pot, the oil hot, for my seasoning, right? And I'm gonna add those shortly. Alright, so I've added the onion, the tomato, the sweet pepper, and the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, otherwise called habanero pepper. Yeah, so one of the hottest peppers in the world. Alright, so I'm just gonna allow this to cook out some more, and then I'm gonna add my salt mackerel. So I'm gonna add some ketchup to the oil. And yes, the salt mackerel is already in there. What I did was forget to put the ketchup to the oil like I normally do. So I just put the salt mackerel one side now and add in the ketchup, so that I can get the taste and the look that I'm looking for at the end, because I like the oil to actually have that reddish nice color. I'm also gonna add some black pepper as well, just a little now and a little later. And I basically want the ketchup to cook in the oil before I stir the salt mackerel up with it. Alright. So I'm going to start incorporating the salt mackerel. And I'm going to turn on the heat. Add some more black pepper to the salt mackerel now that I've mixed it up. And then turn on the heat and allow it to simmer and cook. And with cooking, it's basically just for it to go ahead and get the flavor of the seasoning and the ketchup and everything, and just be melly and shallow when you eat it with the dumpling, you know. And the key to that is to allow it to just sit for a while on low heat and just pick up all of them taste and flavor. And you don't want to stir the mackerel too often and too much, because what's going to happen is that it's going to mash out and look ugly. That's just the truth. Alright, so I'm going to leave it for a little while. Then I'm going to come back with the plate. Now, look, this is a plating of the salt mackerel. So it's Jamaican salt mackerel with cornmeal dumpling, banana, pumpkin, and the St. Vincent yam. And you can't see the yam, just a little piece right there, because the salt mackerel is all over that. And then a piece of avocado and a couple slices of tomato. And that's my Saturday brunch per se. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of your Saturday, guys, and love you all. Remember to subscribe and like, thumbs up. Bye bye from Chef Nykz.